English shorthand dictation 100 words per minute. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, para. I have pleasure in welcoming you all to the 6th annual general meeting of the company. Our directors annual report, the balance sheet with the profit and loss account for the year and the auditor's report have been with you for some time. You would have seen from the report that our company had a satisfactory year of working. Para. We had the privilege of our factory being inaugurated by the President of India. The inauguration function was attended by large group of people from all over the country and the function was a grand success. Para. The operation of the plant was started without much trouble. The factory achieved its capacity of production this year as estimated and would have continued this achievement but for the imposition of the power cut in the very first year of operation. It was able to make sufficient profits to enable us to pay a portion of the arrears of dividend on preference shares. Para. The products of our company have been well received and they are moving fast in the market without leaving any stock at the factory. The working results for the current year are expected to be far better than last year. The power position has been causing us considerable anxiety. Any major power cut will cause very severe damage to the plant. The state electricity board is fully aware of the delicate nature of this plant and in spite of its consideration we have to suffer cut. Para. Due to scarcity of foreign exchange, we experienced difficulties in obtaining raw materials and spare parts for running the plant. A major part of our requirements of spare parts is now being locally manufactured. We propose to manufacture a large volume of equipment needed for expansion in India itself in order to minimize the requirements of foreign exchange, though this will cause considerable strain on the company's resources. Para. On account of devaluation of Indian currency, the foreign loan amount is proportionately increased. It was the intention of the board of directors to utilize the company resources for expansion and fabrication without increasing the share capital or by outside rupee borrowing. But devaluation has upset our calculations. There is no need to raise share capital, but it may be necessary to seek loan from the development bank so that our expansion program may not be delayed. We believe the government would consider granting loans. Stop.